In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add schema in Yoast SEO. So in order to do that, you first need to just head over right here into your Yoast.com website, and you should be able to see right here this. You can use it directly right here onto your WordPress. Just head over and then get it under the plugins right here. When you click on that, you can find Yoast SEO, but as you can see, it has a plan. So for this case, you can explore Yoast SEO directly right here or download the free version and install it directly onto your WordPress. Now, in order to use or add the schema, I have right here this particular document. So the Yoast SEO or schema automatically implements the schema org markup. So it's appropriate for your page types. So this is a unique schema. It doesn't produce blobs of code and it's actually tailored to your liking. So the output is the core schema or pieces on every page, wherein additional pieces are added based on different scenarios, such as when a website represents a person on single post, when a page contains a how to block, and if a page contains FAQ block. So for this, you just need to configure your site representation settings. You can do so by going over right here on the Yoast SEO. You can find right here the site representation and then just edit right here your organization, your name, the person, and the types. Make sure to also add other profiles if you want. You can set your defaults and use the schema tab in the Yoast SEO meta box on your Yoast SEO sidebar on your WordPress, just like this. Just choose the page type as well as the author type you want for this. You can change the default for this on the search appearance settings. You can use it as well on how to and FAQ structured data blocks if you would want to. Next, you need to implement the breadcrumbs. This also adds schema or markup for breadcrumbs. So with this, you can head over and then hit two birds with one stone. So that's all there is to do. Hope this video helped you out.